Hello everyone, hope you're doing good this week. Hope you're having a great week. Just a few announcements to remind you about. We are in Module 4, Part 2, and by the end of this module, your group project does need to be submitted by your group leader. Only one person, your leader, needs to submit that, but it will submit for all of you. And then make sure that each of you, each individual in your group, does fill out the group participation grade, which with participation grades for yourself and for the other people in your group. I will use those to give you a participation grade, and in the event that some students did not participate at all, then I will use the participation grade as well as a weight to grade your final project grade as well. So what the whole group gets as a grade, you may have a lower grade since you didn't help do any of it. So just keep that in mind, and those grades will be hopefully coming due next week, and I'll take a look at that. So by the end of this module, you should have that turned in and your participation report done. Coming up in Module 5, Part 1, we're going to be looking at our e-portfolios. I know we've looked at that a little bit already, I think, but some of you have come to the ePortfolio workshop. If you haven't, there's another one that's coming up, but it won't be for another few weeks in November. So take advantage of this week, Module 5, Part 1, to become familiar with how to create an ePortfolio in education and how to customize that, how to get it ready for your upper division coursework. Remember, as you continue with your upper division courses at Boise State, we do ask that you are using that ePortfolio to gather evidence, gather assignments that show the skills that you've been learning at Boise State, especially those that surround the MDS outcomes or skills that we expect you to have. There are 6 of those, and you'll find out more about that this week. So we're also looking at updating our resume. So if you haven't looked at your resume for a while, you'll have to dust that off and get that ready to put into your ePortfolio. As well, in Module 5, Part 1, by the end of that module, the second draft of your IDP is due. So in this draft, I expect you to have all of the sections filled out, and you will receive another grade on it. But we won't have a face-to-face or a phone interview this time. So take a look at that after I get that. After you upload it and I get it graded, we'll have one more chance, the final draft, to get everything just right. So hopefully you've been working on that, and I don't think that will be a big problem. Then the other thing I'm asking you to do is to start thinking about your reflection paper, what that might look like. So I put some examples in this next module about past work that students have done, just to give you an idea of what those can look like. So if you have any questions about any of that, feel free to contact me. If I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.